everyone, this is Hassan from HDFX, and I would like to make actually a small video about Euro, British Pound, okay? And I already gave you guys the elite perspective on this. So this time I am giving you this market structure perspective, okay? And hopefully we can combine these together to so that you guys better understand what's going on with the pair, okay? Now, what I would like to talk about, this is the recent uh, uptrend, okay? The one with the orange. And let's see how this uptrend worked, okay? So we had this support level start from here again and again and again, 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 and it was broken, okay? Then come back up here again, and then of course support becomes resistance this time, okay? So this returned to resistance here, here, and then finally kissed it goodbye, and then we started this downtrend now. So it looks like what we have is we have a downtrend at the moment. Why? Because up to this moment this trend line here, 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 and here, and this is where we are now. How to consider this? Well, I actually, okay, the trick here is, of course, try to manage this stuff using what I try to do with a little bit different than just using these trends is I try to pick points of what I called reversal points of my chart, okay? So in this chart, for me, I will never just pick absolute top of or bottom, okay? This is what makes this different than just using trend lines or blah blah blah, okay? Now, for me in this chart, this triangular formation was the end of this point. So for me, uh, now I'm actually adding Elliot to it, which I already did before. But let's just hear me out, okay? So for me, this is the end of a wave. Okay, so for me, if I wanted to take a fib level, okay, this is it, not here, but here, because this is the end of my wave, and this is the uptrend. A new trend starts. Now, where is this trend ends? Here. So what I did, I just took a fib level from the start of the trend, start of the wave, and end of the wave. And during this wave, the market created a trend. I hope you understand what I'm saying. And look, what I did, just take some important fib levels. And let's actually add this one, okay, as well. Now look, what the market did, we use 0.23. It created for this trend at least, what happened later, this our top 382 created our middle point, and 0.50 created our lower point. So far, what after this, because now look, because of how we started and how we ended, it actually aligned with this market geometry perfectly, which it usually gives you a good signal of what you're doing is true or no, okay? That actually helps a lot. Now, let's check. Now, 50% retracement level was here and here. So, if it comes back here, what do you think? You should guys think about, okay? Look at this 50, how it worked before. Here, on the left, you'll always find some clues of what's going on. This is it. And also, now this downtrend, yes? If this downtrend comes somewhere around here and it breaks it, where do you think the market will go first? Here. Okay? Now, what you should see, you should be waiting for market to come to you and then take an action. I will never just took, for example, a short here because thinking that, oh, yes, if it now is 50% here, we should take a short. And this is not how it works. You should wait for market to come to you and then make the point. For example, if I was short already somehow, If the market comes here, I would take it or make it risk-free. I would take profit or make it risk-free. Now on the controversy, on the other side, I mean not controversy, on the contrary, if you go up here, this is it, the place that I would like to take at least take profit one and see what's going on. Okay, if that's the case, but this is so for now. This is where this I think buyers may step in. Okay, and if you break this and make a close above here first, and then this recent high second, and then this is the end of this move. This should be the next target for it. Look, this is I actually in reality we combined elite wave with this without even counting anything. Okay, because we already know this was the start point of our chart. This is the end, and this is how we can use Fibonacci and trend lines all together to see. Now, if I wanna add, like, this just started to be a thing now for me. Now, if I see here a very nice oversold position somewhere around here on the 4-hour chart with this, I would be even happier. Or if I come here, I see a trend that is actually overbought and comes in line with this, I would like to take a short here. Till what? And look how, of course, I'm just describing you the perfect market, which never happens, okay? So little happens. Look, can you imagine the market going like this? And this is oversold, okay, perfect. And it goes up, it breaks, comes back here, and then where do you think it will make this retest? Well, if this comes retest with in line with 382 and this trend line, I would be the most happy man. But does it work like this? No. But this is how you should make your plans. Okay. So I hope this makes sense. I just wanted to make a small video and try to teach you a little bit what's going on. Okay. And thank you so much, and I will see you on the next ones.